Life on Earth reveals a multitude of behaviors. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, each carrying unique stories of survival, instinct, and beauty. In the morning light, a quiet forest awakens, with birds calling and deer traversing the grasslands. Every creature plays a vital role in maintaining Earth's balance. Beyond the forest lies the fiery desert, where heat rises from the sand and life emerges in surprising forms. A desert lizard darts across in minimal contact with the scorching surface. Camels navigate the dunes, shaped by centuries of adaptation. Despite harsh conditions, these creatures demonstrate strength and persistence. The desert teaches us survival is tied to understanding the environment. Upon the waves, an aquatic world emerges, with sunlight dancing upon the surface and fish swimming in harmony. Turtles glide gracefully, acting as a meditation beneath the waves. Deep below, glowing marine life lights up the dark water, displaying life's resilience in the darkest environment. Oceans are the cradle of species, connecting the planet by an endless flow of water. Along sweeping plains, zebras parade in fields of grasslands, stripes shimmering in sunlight. Elephants steer their families, supporting one another and preserving habitats. A lion watches, waiting, poised to leap. In this environment, life is a dance between predator and prey. Strength and strategy, danger and instinct, demonstrating each animal's role and importance. Life across Earth, forest, desert, ocean, and plain, demonstrates the shared responsibility of humans regarding the planet's well-being. Earth's inhabitants teach us resilience, adaptation, cooperation, and balance, while our future depended more on human choices than ever before. Trees flourish, rivers are replete with life, and endangered species are saved from the brink of extinction. Thus, animals remind us that our world is not our own, but shared and connected, just as it has been for millions of years.